Because he's probably star advertiser, that's what I said. And because he's probably the most famous, popular, loved guy in all the state of Hawaii. And we have here an impresario named Chuck Gessert, came all over the Big Island. He's been doing research on Admiral Vasey because he's kind of an interesting guy. He's got a little report from his research he's going to read. So everybody pay attention, because I'm going to ask questions later.
Okay.
I would say that Joe is not only interesting, he's the most interesting admiral in the world.
Wow. Wow.
Opportunity knocks, and he is not home, it comes back. The admiral's personality is so magnetic that he is unable to carry a credit card. When he arrived at the Naval Academy, the head admiral met him to make sure he was comfortable. If opportunity knocks and he's not home, opportunity waits. When his boat entered Yukuska Bay, 1945, the enemy immediately surrendered.
True story.
Oh.
Cuba imports cigars from him. Mosquitoes refuse to bite him purely out of respect. His mother has a small tattoo which says "son." At museums, he is allowed to touch the art. Therapists open up about their personal problems. If the admiral patted you on the back, you would put it on your resume. When pulled over by the cops, the admiral lets the cops off with a warning. He is the most interesting admiral in the world. In a past life, he was himself. He gave his father the talk. His fortune cookies read simply, "Congratulations." He is the life of the party and has never attended. If he were to punch you in the face, you would have to fight off the strong urge not to thank him. He is the most interesting admiral in the world. Last time he flirted with danger, danger got clingy. He once received a standing ovation from a jury box. His small talk has altered foreign policies worldwide. He once ran a marathon simply because it was on his way. He once parallel parked a train. His 2 cents is worth $29.58. He is the most interesting admiral in the world. If he were to mispronounce your name, you would feel compelled to change it. The admiral once had an awkward moment just to see how it would feel. People hang on his every word, even his prepositions. The admiral can disarm you with his looks or his hands. His blood smells like cologne. Even his enemies list him as their emergency contact number. And lastly, the U.S. Marines want to be more like him. Happy birthday, Admiral.
Very good. Well done.
That was great.
That last one, Joe, was a birthday gift to you. We'll be doing it again. Well done. Well done.